Hi guys, today for you I have the March Doki box. I'm sorry that this is late. I got this like really late at the end of the month, and I just finally got to doing it because I've been working on another video for a class to play for a Sailor Luna costume, and that's why another reason why I haven't been doing Taste Test Like Thursdays. So here is the March Doki crate. This is a Japan crate thing, so this is my first one. So the box is pink with this writing. Alright, so we have our little checklist. We have our little cute girl here who is sharing the Doki. Alright, so we got this. It says spring cleaning. Welcome to the new season by starting fresh. This month we are featuring items that will help renew your body and home after winter cold, in addition to cute cuddly companions that will make your house kawaii for spring. So we have our little photos of the people, and this is the what you'll be getting. This is this prize that you could be selected for every month right here, and here is a little mango or cartoon here. So the first thing is, let's take him out of our packaging. We got this little guy right here. You can see how cute he is. He's a long stuffed animal with a tail. Here is his tag. Looks like you get a squirrel. I think this is a raccoon. I'm not 100% sure. So let's take a look at our thing here. It says Potico Friends. I'm sorry, I can't pronounce that right. It is fun to play on words referring to round, rolly shape of these cute plushies. These forest critters are out to play now that spring is here. Their fur is especially soft, smooth, perfect for cuddling and petting. He is very soft. Like I said, I think he's a raccoon, but I'm not 100% sure. The next is this right here. This is a Maru Dipan sponge. It says this sponge brings a new meaning to B&B, bath and breakfast. These may look like bread, but they're in fact a soft sponge. They are great for lathering and gentle scrubbing. These sponges will keep you feeling fresh, clean all spring. So this is a bath sponge. Looks like I've got like the egg, bacon, and maybe some lettuce. And then there is the abrasion there. The next is Rumakuma mini basket. So it looks like this. It's our little orange Rumakuma. It says, keep your home organized with this cute mini basket. It is great for folding pens and pencils at a desk or holding makeup brushes at a vanity. Whatever you need, safekeeping, Rumakuma is here to keep neat and tidy. So that's our Rumakuma. He's on that side, Link on that side, and there's the bottom. And the next thing in our box is a special Valentine's Day gift. It says Tsum Tsum face mask. We're including an extra treat to help you feel refreshed. So I got this one. Including extra to keep including you fresh this spring season. Pamper yourself with this Tsum Tsum face mask that features different ingredients to help keep your skin healthy, smooth. Just apply at face for 20-30 minutes and pat any excess serum into the skin. So I got Miss Piglet and Miss Piglet's not a girl. I'm sorry, Piglet and Pooh. And then the next thing is a Gumatama blind box. So let's move this box out of the way. So here's our Gumatama. It says Gumatama blind box. These eggs didn't hatch a spring chicken, but a lazy little egg. Receive one full Gumatama mascot plushie to decorate your home or workspace with a bit of spring flair. So this is the one. This is what the box looks like. You can either get this one, this one, this one, or this one. There's the back. or this egg, this egg, this egg, this egg. Which egg do I want? This one's kind of cute. Let's see what we got. I see white. Ooh. So I got the Gumatuma still sitting in his shell. So let's see. It got this one right here. He's just hanging out there. Alright, and then the next thing is, this was in a packaging. I took it out because I thought I was going to use it, but then I ended up not. So this one is a Disney message board. Jot down your to-dos and important messages on this edible hanging sign. One of 8 Disney friends will keep your thoughts organized so you can finish your chores and errands with ease. So I got the Buzz Lightyear one. I think you could get other ones, but I'm not 100% sure. So I just wrote down, how are you? And then there is a eraser on top. You can just erase. There is some residue still on him. Alright, so that's all the things in our March Doki Doki. I believe this is March. I'm not finding... Yeah, I think this is March's box. I'm not 100% sure, though. So I hope you like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys later. Bye-bye.